Hi, in this video I will show you how to insert a SIM card to the Apple iPhone 12. We need a SIM tray opener, which is provided with the Apple iPhone. This is iPhone 12. So this time for new iPhone 2020, the SIM card tray on the left side here, not like previous iPhones. You can see here on the left side, down, just take out SIM tray. So now you put like that, this way, exactly fitting. You see it's exactly fitting. Then we insert into the iPhone 12 series. This is iPhone 12, that's it. It's done. Thank you for watching, bye.